being presented with a vocabulary and context question. We'll read from the top. In 2016, Gabriela Gonzalez and team announced that a chirping sound captured by laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory antennas was direct evidence of gravitational waves, which skeptics had argued would be too faint for detection. Detailed statistical analysis helped preclude claims of the event's blank, confirming the signal at a confidence level of over 99%. So we know that these skeptics argued that the chirping sound would be too faint for detection, but the analysis says that we actually detected it. So we need to find something that says in the blank that it was believed to be too faint for detection, but it actually was detected. So we just need to find an answer choice that would match this idea that it was too faint for detection. So if we're looking at choice A, inconspicuousness, that means that it's not like blatantly apparent. That doesn't necessarily mean too faint for detection. It's going to be a little bit of a context, in context, like a bit of a misuse of the subject as well. You would probably read inconspicuousness back in, but again, it's not saying that it's too faint for detection. If it's just inconspicuous, it still could have been detected. So we're going to eliminate choice A as, again, not hitting on that piece of explicitly being too faint for detection. Then discretion, well, discretion, again, wouldn't even really make sense for the subject of the event something. So the event itself isn't going to possess discretion of like being hidden. Then ambiguity. Well, if something is ambiguous, then it would be too faint for detection. And ambiguity is in direct contrast to this confirmation of the signal at a confidence level of over 99%. So C does fit both pieces there. And then choice D, preclude claims of the event's probability. Well, we actually named the probability as 99% confident, actually over 99% confidence. So again, you would read choice C, ambiguity, back into the sentences to confirm the overall narrative, but we'll move on.